We are Daffodil-Falcon from Daffodil International University. Our team members are Raju Ahmed, Mamajul Haq Bashar, Jubair Hassan Mana, Farhan Tanvir. We used BMP 180 sensor for measuring barometric pressure, altitude and temperature. We used the Neo 6M GPS module with the Arduino to get GPS data and GPS time. A voltage sensor used in our system to determine, monitor and can measure the supply of voltage. We used Power Management System, PMS, to monitor and balance the generation and consumption in an electrical network which has multiple loads and sources. NRF24L01 is the temerity device which is used for sending data satellite to ground station. We are using camera and FPV setup to get aerial footage from satellite. We are using Arduino Nano microcontroller for data processing. We are using 2 rechargeable Lion battery as satellite power backup. We are using micro SD card reader module for save all kind of satellite data.